Britain's defense ministry said in its daily intelligence bulletin on June 3 that compared to Russia's original plan, none of Moscow's strategic objectives have been reached. Russian forces failed to achieve their initial objectives to seize Kyiv and Ukrainian centers of government. Staunch Ukrainian resistance and the failure to secure Hostomel airfield in the first 24 hours led to Russian offensive operations being repulsed. Following the failure of the initial plan, through false planning assumptions and poor tactical execution, Russia adapted its operational design to focus on the Donbas. Russia is now achieving tactical success in the Donbas. Russian forces have generated and maintained momentum and currently appear to hold the initiative over Ukrainian opposition. Russia controls over 90% of Luhansk Oblast and is likely to complete control in the next 2 weeks. Russia has achieved these recent tactical successes at significant resource cost and by concentrating force and fires on a single part of the overall campaign. Russia has not been able to generate maneuver or movement on other fronts or axes, all of which have transitioned to the defensive. Measured against Russia's original plan, none of the strategic objectives have been achieved. In order for Russia to achieve any form of success will require continued huge investment of manpower and equipment and is likely to take considerable further time. Now let's see the best videos from Ukraine. A Russian T-80BV tank disabled by a grenade from Ukrainian forces. Worth keeping in mind that many of the destroyed Russian tanks were abandoned and then destroyed at close range. Here's a truck destroyed by a mine placed by the Ukrainian National Guard. Video of the Mi-35M helicopter wreckage. Ukraine's National Guard showing artillery strikes on a reported Russian ammunition depot. Stugna PATGM strike by Ukraine's 14th Mechanized Brigade on a Russian armored vehicle. Another Ukrainian Stugna PATGM strike on a Russian position. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.